With this strategy, I made $1,750 in just a few hours. It's a trend reversal strategy I use to open short positions in crypto market. And yes, it also works on forex, stocks and indices. The best part? It uses only 3 free indicators on TradingView and 1 simple candlestick pattern. Watch till the end because in the next 5 minutes I'll show you the exact strategy, my real trade and multiple examples proving this actually works. Before I explain the strategy step by step, let me show you the real trade that made me $1,750. I opened a short position on ARK. This crypto coin was pumping for 2 days straight, making higher highs and higher lows. And this is important: when price keeps making higher highs, liquidity builds up because traders place their stop losses below those highs. On the 15-minute time frame, 3 moving averages were acting like dynamic support. Price kept bouncing from them until it didn't. I noticed a moving average crossover and price dropped below all 3 MAs. At the same time, on the 1-hour time frame, we got a bearish engulfing pattern. A strong green candle was completely absorbed by a massive red candle. This told me one thing: bulls lost control. I entered a short position and placed my stop loss above the 1-hour red candle. Once price made a new lower low, I moved my stop loss lower to reduce risk and protect profits. I opened this trade with $2,000 and used 10x leverage. I closed it around 85% profit, making $1,750. But here is the painful part. If I had followed proper money management, this trade could have made me over $6,800. Price continued falling over 340% with 10x leverage without me. And this mistake is exactly why I'm sharing this strategy with you. Step 1. Indicators. Switch to the 15-minute time frame and add 3 moving averages: MA7, MA14, MA28. I tested many settings and for trend reversals this performed the best. Step 2. Candlestick pattern. Now switch to the 1-hour time frame. Look for a bearish engulfing pattern. A big green candle fully engulfed by a larger red candle. This shows that buyers are exhausted and a reversal is likely. Step 3. Entry, stop loss and take profit. Enter short after confirmation. Stop loss above the 1-hour red candle. Take profit around 40-90% or more with 10x leverage depending on market conditions. Pro tip: money management, very important. This is where most traders fail, including me. At 40-50% take profit on 50% of your position. At 80-90% take profit on another 50%. Let the rest run for extra profit. If I had done this, my profit would have been much higher. And now let me show you 3 more examples where this exact strategy worked perfectly. On February 1st, ZKP was pumping aggressively and trending upward. A bearish engulfing candle appeared, where the red candle completely absorbed the previous green one. At the same time, 2 moving averages crossed, signaling a shift in momentum. That marked the beginning of the bearish phase. Price dropped 390% with 10x leverage. The setup was clean: short after confirmation, stop loss above the red candle, solid 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. On February 3rd, ZIL was pushing higher and attracting buyers. Then a very strong bearish engulfing candle appeared, almost 3 times larger than the previous green candle. At the same time, all 3 moving averages crossed, confirming the trend reversal. From there, price fell around 270% with 10x leverage. The stop loss stayed above the engulfing candle, keeping risk controlled. On January 25th, Eden looked bullish to most traders, but on the 1-hour time frame, a bearish engulfing pattern appeared, followed by a full moving average crossover. That confirmed the reversal. Price dropped nearly 400% with 10x leverage. Same rules, same execution, same logic. If this strategy made sense to you, watch the video again so you don't miss anything. Go to TradingView and mark these exact setups yourself. That's how you actually learn, not by just watching. Subscribe if you want real strategies, real trades and no fake flexing. I'll see you in the next one.